Knowledge Nest, your home for learning.
Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn pronouns. Do you know what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a name. Pronouns make our sentences easy. For example, we use he for a boy, she for a girl, and it for a cat. Some pronouns are he, she, it, I, we, you, and they. We will use he for a boy and she for a girl. For example, Ali is a boy, he is happy. We use the word he that is used instead of the name Ali. So, he is a pronoun. Another example is Sarah is a girl, she is happy. We use the word she that is used instead of the name Sarah. So, she is a pronoun. We use it for animals and things. For example, this is a cat. It is cute. Some other examples are this is a dog. It is cute. This is a football. It is beautiful. This is a book. It is informative. We use I when we talk about ourselves. And we use you when we talk to someone. For example, I am happy. You are my friend. We use we for ourselves and others. For example, we are friends. And we use they for many people or things. For example, they are playing. Let's do an activity. We will use pronouns instead of using names again and again. Number 1. Ali is a boy. Ali likes to play. By using pronoun, we can say Ali is a boy. He likes to play. Number 2. Sarah is a girl. Sarah likes to read. By using pronouns, we can say Sarah is a girl. She likes to read. Number 3. Ali and Sarah are friends. Ali and Sarah go to school. By using pronouns, we can say Ali and Sarah are friends. They go to school. Number 4. Ali has a ball. Ali plays with the ball. By using pronouns, we can say Ali has a ball. He plays with it. In this sentence, we use two pronouns, he and it. We use he instead of name Ali and it instead of a ball. Number 5. Sarah has a book. Sarah reads the book. By using pronouns, we can say Sarah has a book. She reads it. In this sentence, we use two pronouns, he and it. We use she instead of name Sarah and it instead of book. Number 6. Ali and Sarah see a cat. The cat is cute. By using pronouns, we can say Ali and Sarah see a cat. It is cute. Number 7. Ali and Sarah are happy. By using pronouns, we can say they are happy. Let's do another activity. Our activity is take the correct pronoun. Number 1. Ali is a boy. He, she, or it? Yes, he is a boy. Number 2. Sarah is a girl. He, she, or it? Yes, she is a girl. Number 3. This is a cat. He, she, or it? Yes, it is a cat. Number 4. Ali and Sarah are friends. He, they, or it? Yes, they are friends. Let's do another activity. The activity is look at the picture. Who is this? Say the pronoun aloud. First one is Ali. So we will use he for the boy. Second one is Sarah. We will use she for the girl. Third one is a cat. We will use it for animals. Now, for Ali and Sarah, we use they. Let's do another activity. Our activity is match the column. We use he for the boy. We use she for the girl. We use it for cat. We use they for Ali and Sarah both. Good job, kids! Now you know pronouns. Like, share and subscribe for more learning videos.